Hello, I'm Tochku and I'll be taking you through the view settings under the business section on Eva. So this particular video, right, well, in fact, we're going to be explaining what this view settings is, right? So if you're in a production business, right, if you have a production business on Eva, right, you see this audit inventory on each sale. If it's set to yes, right, what that means is anytime you impute a sale, it's actually going to automatically update the inventory. It deducts this quantity sold from the inventory, and if the quantity sold is greater than what was in stock, it's going to create bring up an error and tell you that you work on that right before trying to impute the sale. And if there's no inventory for the sale as of the time of recording this video, it will tell you to create an inventory for the product so that you can actually work with that. So this same thing applies to production, right? But the difference is that when it comes to production, if there is no inventory for that production, it's going to actually create the inventory and it's going to add the quantity produced to that particular this thing in stock. Then, if there was an inventory as of the time of recording this video, if there was inventory for the product from the previous month, it will add up the number in stock to the quantity produced and store it, right? But you can still go back and manually edit it if you want to actually, right? So if you want to turn this off, you actually use the edit, right? And if you click on edit, right, you can see this. If you just set this to no and this to no and you click update, you can see that it has successfully updated, right? So same thing actually applies to a business that is into buying and selling, trading, right? So if you have audit inventory on each sale, it's going to automatically deduct the inventory on each sale, and if there's no inventory for that product, it will prompt you to create it, right? But if there is already an inventory for the product, when you actually click input a restock record, it's going to update the inventory, add to that quantity. If there's no quantity for the product, it's actually going to create a new one and then add to the quantity. Then if there was a inventory for last month, it will pick it up, right, and actually add on top of it and store it as the inventory, the new inventory, right? And if you also want to turn this off too, you can use this, and then you can turn this off. You can select this, select no, and then you select no, and you can see update. It will turn off, right? So if you want to turn it back on, you just click on edit, right? You select yes, yes, and you turn it on, right? So same thing actually applies to the production business. So if you click yes here and you click yes here and you click update, it's actually going to turn it back on. So that is that on view settings under the business section on Niva. Thank you for your time and do enjoy the rest of your day.